Content creators and business owners, stop losing money. Beacons.ai versus StanStore. Which one will actually boost your income and simplify your business? The answer might surprise you, so stick around because at the end of this video, you will know exactly which one is best fit for you and your business.
All right, guys. So we're going to do a side-by-side comparison. And over here to my left, I have Beacons. .ai, and over here I have StanStore. Okay, so StanStore is what I currently use, but I'm migrating. I have literally migrated to Beacons, but we're going to do like a side-by-side comparison. So here we have Beacons, and this is Creator Pro, which is similar to StanStore's Creator, and we have Store Pro, which is the same, similar to StanStore Creator Pro. So we're going to compare the features. Over here in Creator Pro, these are the features you have. You have a free custom domain, so you can have your name.store or your name.org or your name. Whatever. But StanStore does not have that. So we have one store for Beacons over here. You have buy now, pay later in this $10. By the way, this is $10 if you're going to do it monthly. So let's use the monthly subscription. It is $10 per month. And on StanStore, the creator is $29 a month. All right. So we have the buy now, pay later. Offer your customers the ability to buy now and pay later. StanStore does not have it on the creator on the $30 a month one. So that is another mark for Beacons. Now, on the third one is the 9% seller fee on all sales. Now, StanStore does not have seller fees on this one. So you don't get to pay. It's just you pay $29 a month and that's it. You don't pay the 9% seller fees. So that is a check mark for Stan, right? But because, Beacons is $10 a month, and it's great for, new creators that cannot pay yet. That is amazing, right? So that is one check mark for StanStore. Okay. Now it has 0% invoice fee. So that means you can create an invoice, right? Which for someone like me, is a good offering, right? StanStore does not offer invoices, other bumps. So you can upsell with other products when customers check out. Now, StanStore does not offer other bumps in this creator subscription, which is other bumps are really good because they help you make more sales. All right. You can upsell. Now, another thing that it offers is email automation. All right. In this creator plan, $30 for StanStore, they do not offer email automation. Geo-targeted email campaigns, StanStore does not offer that. For this creator plan, AI brand outreach, which you can use to automate outreach messages, StanStore does not offer it on this plan as well. Now, remember that StanStore's plan is $30 and Beacon's plan is $10. So the next one is to remove the logo. That means you can, you can own your link in your bio. You don't have to have Beacons branded because Beacons also has a free plan, okay, that you can use, but StanStore does not have a free plan. All right. So in the analytics, you can have real life analytics. StanStore has analytics, daily media kit updates. So with Beacons.ai, you can create a media kit, and sometimes they also help you share your media kits, but StanStore does not offer the media kits. With Beacons, you have advanced SEO tools and marketing tools, right? So this thing is very, very important, but StanStore does not offer that, at least not on this plan. Integrate with Zapier, MailChimp, and Zoom. StanStore offers that. I know it's not written here, but you can integrate with MailChimp. You can also integrate with Zoom or Google Meets. AI generation tools. You use AI to generate descriptions and images. StanStore also offers the AI generation tools. However, they did not highlight it here. But with StanStore's AI generation tool, you can only use it for descriptions. You cannot use it to generate images or any of that. But I mean, it works well for descriptions. And that is it. So we're going to go over to the Store Pro, which we want to compare with the Creator Pro for Stan Store. So Store Pro, the monthly charge for Store Pro is $30 per month. All right. And for Creator Pro on Stan Store is $99 a month. So $30 on Beacons and sorry. So $30 a month on Beacons and $99 on Stan Store. All right. So with Beacons, it comes with everything in the Creator Pro, right? And it also comes with a 0% seller fee. Now, Stan Store offers 0% seller fee with both plans, the $29 and the $99. All right. So Plus comes with other bumps that Stan Store also comes with, and this is what they call the discount code and the sell offers. All right. So this is the other bumps, the upsell, customized product URLs, Stan Store, neither of Stan Store plans have it. Okay. Sell courses. Now with the Store Pro on Beacons, you can sell unlimited courses. However, with the Creator Pro, which is $10, you can only host one course free. All right. So with Stan Store on both plans, the 29 and the 99, you can host as many courses as you want. Fan requests, accept and sell custom fan requests. Stan Store also has that. It's just that they don't have it highlighted over here, but they do have it. Okay. Now the membership. On Beacons, you can only host membership on the $30 plan. You cannot host it on the $10 plan, but you can host it on the $30 and the $99 plan for Stan Store. So you can also host memberships there. Synchronize multiple calendars to book and sell appointments. Stan Store also has that because I was able to synchronize my Google Calendar. I think 2 different calendars. I can't remember. Oh, wait, was it just one? I can't really remember, but you can synchronize your calendar to Stan Store as well. The audience engagement score, which is really, really important. Stan Store does not have that, or do they? I don't think they, because I never used it, but yeah. So which one? Unlimited funnels. Beacons offer unlimited funnels, even with the Creator Pro. They offer affiliate payments, yes, as well. So that is really amazing. So that is for the for both plans. Now, one reason I think that Beacons is able to offer cheaper plans is probably because Beacons started in 2019 and they have like over 3 million users, and Stan Store started in 2020 and they have about 55,000 users, right? But based off of the plan, I would say Beacons win because as a new content creator, you can use the free plan. However, I would not advise the free plan because it really doesn't have a lot, even though you can like host like just some sell some products on it, right? And you can also have the media kit, right? But I'll say it wins because the $10 per month allows you the ability to pay it for people that cannot pay $30, but you will pay 9% of your seller fees. Now, if you don't want to pay 99% of your seller fee, which is actually a lot, you can just upgrade to the $30, which is like the basic for Stan Store. And if you upgrade to $30, you have that and a lot more. Like Beacons offers like a whole lot, right, for the price. So what Stan Store offers for $99, Beacons offers it for $30 and even more. So I'm going to take you guys to the back end of both of these apps now, and we're going to go see which one works best. So we're here on the back end of both, and this is Beacons. I started to use Beacons last week. So yeah, there's no earnings yet. Most of my people are still using Stan Store, but I'm migrating gradually from Stan Store to Beacons. Okay. And Beacons has made that super easy because if you want to add, you can migrate your products from Stan Store directly to Beacons. If you just go to the products and you click on new products, right? You can just import your products instantly, right, from Stan Store. You copy the links and it makes it super easy to do. Now, another thing I like about Beacons is because you can have more than one link in bio. So let's say you have 2 different channels that are 2 different niches and you want to have 2 different link in bios for both of them. You're just going to manage pages, right? And add page. So you create a new page so you can have 2 different links in bio. which is really amazing, right? And over here, they offer like a lot of customization options for your design. Now, another amazing thing here is the website. Now, the website, you can have a website with the $10. You can also have it with the $30. The website is amazing, right? You can start for example, if I click on new website, right? You can host a website. You can literally host a website free of charge with beacons over here. So it gives you a lot more, like your products, the marketing, and that is the email broadcast, the automation, smart replies. It tells you out of, like I sent 100 emails, right? And it told me that you delivered 99% of it. What is this? Some features have been temporarily while our email ensures your compliance. This review typically takes will notify you once the complete. Well, I don't know what that is, but whatever that is, we're reviewing your account. I mean, my account is new, so I guess that they'll be, doing a lot of things. So you have on the $10 a month, you have 500 or 600 emails every month, I think. Yeah, you have 600 emails. And, you can track your analytics, your sales, your payouts, your audience, and then the brand deals, because once you create a media kit, right, you can track your brand deals from here, right? But StanStore does not offer you the option to create like a media kit, all right? StanStore does not offer you the option to create a media kit. Anyway, so we're going to go to the products and see like how we can add products and the products that each of this offers. So over here, you can click on new products. If we go down to StanStore, you can do add products. Okay, so we're going to compare over here, StanStore, collect emails with the lead magnet. When you go to Beacons and you want to create a lead magnet, once you create a digital product, it's going to ask you if you want to turn it to a lead magnet, right? Let me show you. If we go to the price over here, so you can see make product free, turn into a lead magnet. So you can definitely turn it into a lead magnet. So Beacons also has the lead magnet thing. Then the digital products, which is also over here. Coaching calls, which is the appointments over here. Custom products. You can also do that with what's it called? With the digital items over here, or you can use appointments over here at Beacons. The e-course. Okay, so you can see that I have the $10 payment plan on Beacons, and I can host one course free. Okay. Now, another amazing thing about the course is if you don't want to upload it directly to Beacons, maybe you have it like unlisted on YouTube, you can put the link there and, it'll pull the video, which is super amazing. All right. Recurring memberships, right? StanStore offer it on both plans. Beacons offer it on the $30 plan. All right. The webinar, I use appointments to host webinar on Beacons. It works. Okay. Now the community here, it's grayed out because I already have an active community, right? But over here, Beacons does not offer the community. Okay. URL, redirect users to external sites or add a creator affiliate link. Over here, that is it, the external link, So also the Stan affiliate link, when you refer a friend and receive 20% of their StanStore subscription every month. With Beacons, right, you get 25% of their subscription every month when you refer someone. Also, if you use the link in my description, you will get $20, right? You will get $20 credit for your Beacons. All right. So that is another amazing thing about it. Overall, right, for offerings and for, the amount of things you get, I would give Beacons as well. I'll give Beacons because it just offers you a lot. The website, the customization, all of that, right? The referral is also 25%, right? And which is amazing, right? So you just literally get a lot. So I'm going to take you to like the interface what you guys see when you click on my link, and we're just going to compare both of them. All right, so we are here at both links. This is Beacons with the blue one to my left, and this is StanStore. Now, one thing is that I love both of them, okay, because I created it in the way that I like it, all right? So I like it. But the only thing is that Beacons offers more customization options. So if you look at Beacons, it allows me add my email, right? It allows me add my IG, my YouTube link, and of course the Facebook link. And there are other links. I think you can add your TikTok. and you can also add something else, right? And then it gives you different customization options, which I like. I feel like beacons look a little more professional to me. I don't know, or, but you can customize it however you like. And then this is Stand Store. And I also love this Stand Store interface, right? It's making me miss Stand Store, but because of the pricing, we always want something that is cost effective for us. I think that that is why I have to move to Beacons. But overall, both of them look good. I'm trying to see what is wrong with the Pixel. Oh, so the reason it has used this image is because it's moved it from Stand Store, and so it's a little bit pixelated over here. So I'm going to go update it and use the actual image so that it can look like this one, you know? But overall, I love both of them. I think the two of them work. By the way, if you go to the link in the description box and the link in the comment section, use my link to register for Beacons and you get $20 credit free. So that's like getting 2 months of the $10 option free of charge, and you can host anything you want. Anyway, overall, I feel like Beacons wins over here, right?
All right, so we have broken down beacons.ai and StandStore. Now it's your turn. Which one do you think is best fit for you and your business? Also note that I'll be linking beacons.ai in the description box and also as a pinned comment. Anyway, drop a comment below and let me know which one suits your business. And if this video has been helpful to you, kindly hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Have an amazing day. My name is thetobyrich.